Okay, so I'm cleaning up the grill a little bit here, getting it ready for paint. I'm gonna, keep it the same color. It's black down in there, so I'm just gonna rough it up with some steel wool, and I'm gonna hit it with a better quality paint, more like an automotive paint. I know they add hardeners in it. That's certainly beginner stuff for me. I haven't done that, but I'm dying to try it. But what I'm doing over here, these, if you try to buy them new, they're like freaking $200 for a set. And these are in great shape, but the glass was getting a little bit, the plastic was getting a little foggy. And they had looked like little tiny little surface cracks. So I just took some 3000 grit and wet sanded, and well, it's kind of wet now, but man, it really took all them little, it took like the smokiness out of it, the cloudiness. See how cloudy that one is? And this one I just did just lightly. Look how much better it is already. And it's not even really done yet. I just did it for a few seconds. And, do both sides. The outside's usually the only side you have to do. But, yeah, man. And then I'll do the black in there. It just gets a colored bulb. Orange bulb. I'm going to probably put a little bit more reflective in the back. Maybe some kind of metal paint or something. I don't know. Instead of just gray, it'll make the light a lot brighter. And so that's it, man. That's what I'm doing. So if you need to get these where they're really really cloudy, some 3000 grit wet sand, and you're good. All right, guys, later. This will be looking beautiful in a couple of days.